Hi everyone, this is Vrinda and today I'll be presenting my project called Pharming Detector. So first of all, what's pharming? Pharming is when a web page gets redirected to a malicious web page. It's like when the user wants to actually go to some payment portal or something, but actually it gets redirected because its DNS was poisoned, and then the malicious web page, although it may look exactly like the payment portal web page or the authentic web page that the user wanted to navigate to, but basically the web page belongs to the criminals who might be interested in stealing the information, or maybe just getting the money directly transferred into their accounts and things like that. And the process of farming, as I said, it's mainly based on poisoning of the DNS record. So now this DNS record may be either stored in either the DNS name servers or also in the potential victim's host file. And from either of the methods, whether you poison the DNS name server or the host file, the result will be the same. That is that the DNS name will navigate or map to another IP address that is the malicious one. So now let's talk about the tool Pharming Detector. It's something that will detect whether the DNS record of the web page that's being currently visited that was spoofed or not. And in case if it's spoofed, then it will just alert the victim, and the victim can choose whether or not to proceed with the web page. Now we'll just have a quick demo of the tool. So for this, I'll just start it on a VM. So first, I'll just show you that how the page is farmed. So let's just go to Instagram. So we all know how the Instagram's homepage looks like, right? But in this, it's something you're navigated to PayPal. So for demonstration purpose, I've shown like two different web pages. Like it doesn't look exactly same like Instagram's web page, but when the crime is actually going on, and then in that the criminals, they make sure that the web page to which they are trying to navigate the victim to, that looks exactly like the actual web page, so that the victim can believe that okay, it's the same thing, right? And I can now give you another example, that's maybe W3 schools. Now this one also, this is like I deliberately poisoned the DNS record of both of these two web pages. So that's why you can see that you're typing this, but actually you are going to another payment portal, which in case it's PayPal, but the victims will have their own systems and their internal logic of getting your information. So now we'll just see how my tool works. So since I'm here, so I can always go to the check IP address, which is the tool. So I'll click on it, and then I can just type Instagram and check. Now, since Instagram was farmed, now it's saying that the website is farmed, it's unsafe to proceed. And we can again check for W3 schools. Which is again farmed. Now let's check for a normal website which is not farmed. So let's go to Stack Overflow. Okay, so now Stack Overflow is not farmed, so we can just check its IP address as well. Now it says it's not farmed and it's safe to proceed. So yeah, basically this is just for the users to have a quick check whether it's safe to proceed with some websites or not, and not just in case of financial like finance related web pages or something which is related to payment and stuff, but also even in case of like Instagram or login pages, the criminals can farm a login page and then get your passwords and usernames and everything. So, and another important thing that I would like to tell you that is currently I'm using it as a direct link, but I would like to implement it as an add-on, which will be a part of the future work, so that like instead of just inserting the address here, I want that it should just take it something directly from the address bar, like you have just entered the address here, so it can basically just give the information to the script that I'm using directly from the address bar. So yeah, and this was my project, and thank you for your attention. Have a great day.